Alright, hello guys and welcome to Techland. Today I'll be showing you guys how to quickly and easily convert your files, be it in PNG format or PDF or document. You can convert it to any format you want, to your desirable format. Now, I'll be guiding you step by step on how to do this. You can actually convert a file in image and image format, audio and documents to anyone you want. And to be doing this, you need an application known as Telegram. Okay, now to download it, you have to go to your Play Store. You have to go to your Play Store and just search for Telegram. And as you can see, it's already installed on my phone. So I will just go to Telegram. And the next thing you'll be doing is to search for a bot called File Converter. Now this is the bot we're going to be using. This right here, File Converter. Click on it and click on Start. See, it said iConverter, it's at your service. With me, you can convert files from one format to another. Images, audio, videos, and other files are supported. Okay, now this is what I'm going to be showing you. Now let me click on this right here that I want to convert. Okay, I'll just click on the image right here, and you can see it detected that the type of file I submitted is actually JPG image, and you can convert it to PNG, JPEG, WebP, BMP, TIFF, and like that. So you can easily convert it to PNG. Okay, you can see downloading in conversion process. So you can actually download the converted picture in PNG format. And you can also do this on documents too, or you can go to your documents and just search for any documents you want to convert. Any document you want to actually convert, I'll just click on this and submit. As you can see, this is actually in PDF format. You see, it automatically detected that is in PDF format, and you can convert it to doc, text, and kind of. Now to convert it to even picture, just click on okay. So okay, conversion in progress. So after it's done, you can automatically download it to your folder and send it. Now this is the easiest way to convert your files without spending a dime or going through stress or reducing the quality or going to any other third-party application. Please leave a like and subscribe to this channel if you are new to the channel. We do post and take tips and tricks on how to make life easy and quick money tips on our WhatsApp platform, and the link will be posted on our description below. You can join the group and ask me any question you want to, and I'll be glad to answer.